Alhaji Afis Adams, Chief Director of the Ministry of Health. Dr. Bello Bitugu, Director of University of Ghana Sport Directorate and lead of our amazing project too, IWES, as a consultant. Dr. Med Gladys Lomote, Ghana Medical Association. Dr. Paul Amankona, President of Ghana Physio Association. Honorable Dozie Lumekevo, Director General of National Sport Authority. Dr. Ernest Asiedu, Analyst at the National Center of Coordination and Early Warning and Response Mechanism. Dr. Fred Che, Director General of CityVet. Barbara Toulou Clemens, Country Director of the World Food Programme. All Sport Federation, thank you to be there too, under the National Sport Authority. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. I'm very happy to be here today because to launch iOS was not that easy. But what we have done was we have listened a lot to our customers, a lot to people in the industry, like you who understand very well all the difficulty when you are a sport personnel, to find an idea to help them, basically, to be also educated. We all know how important it is, education. So this is what we have tried at least to put together to bring this course, so we make sure that everybody can be equipped with the right means and can work. So IWES, Institute of Wellness and Exercise Science, we believe on preventive healthcare. We are in the right place, the Ministry of Health, and we all know how difficult and all the damages we can see around obesity, non-communicable diseases. So when I came in Ghana 7 years ago, and I saw how difficult or how we were struggling with all this non-communicable disease, which projections show that by 10 years, 43% of our population, the direct link with their death will be one of these non-communicable diseases. Hypertension, diabetes, obesity, you know all this. In front of that, you cannot just watch the scene without doing nothing. So I put a small team together, a very strong young Ghanaian team, to think about how can we at least contribute a little bit to change the narrative. Then this young entrepreneur, plus a lot of other stakeholders like you, who has helped us to build this course, we get up to think about how can we help all the personal sport and fitness trainer to be equipped with the right certification, then people like you can book them basically. So this is what IWES stands for. How can we educate? How can we help all the personal sport and fitness trainers in the market who do not have the opportunity to be educated, but they are very smart, very good, to be equipped, and then they can move forward.
A welcome page where you can continue with your onboarding. So an email has been sent to the email that I provided, and this is for you to get a verification link. You click on it, and it's just to make sure that the email you sent us is valid. It's your email, and we just need to make sure of that. So I'm just going to say, okay, I have got the email. So now let's start. So it's asking me for my first name and last name. Let me input those. And then my phone number. Of course, if you don't have a Ghanaian phone number, but you have some other country's number, you can scroll through, you can even search and then select it. But since my number is Vodafone in Ghana, I'm going to choose Ghana. So, and now we need the phone number because, well, you are a professional. You are going to be interacting with our clients. So we want to make sure that at least I brought to the account creation page, and like I said, there are some criteria that your password would have to meet. So let's use my email to create a new account. Great. Very long email, but okay. Okay, so my password is supposed to have one lowercase, one uppercase, and at least one number. and then they should all be 8 characters. So as you see, all the checks are ticked, so this password is okay. So now I select that I've read the terms and conditions and I agree to the policy. Of course, the blue privacy policy is clickable. Once you click it, you get access to the terms and then you can read it for your own perusal. So now we create the account. App Launch by Myhealthcop. My name is Anthony Asamoah. I am the backend developer at Myhealthcop, and it's my pleasure to take you through the app. So, we built this app with the clients in mind and also with professionals. And there are lots of benefits to being on our platform, both as a professional and as a client. I mean, it's not easy to find people of top quality to help you go about your daily activities. From finding the right kind of food to eat, from finding the right kind of workouts to do and practice. It's not easy to get the best of the best. And that is why at Myhealthcop, we bring to you certified, top-notch quality experts that are here to work for you. And of course, for the professionals too, this is a great opportunity. It's a great platform to be on and, to make an extra buck, of course. And also, you get to build your clientele. You get to meet very nice people, and it's a very beautiful service.
Change happens because there is partnership, and it is the kind of partnership that we're seeing between the Ministry of Health, the private sector, different actors coming together to actually put their minds together to form that partnership. The Ministry of Health can't do this alone. CTVET can train all they like and it won't make any kind of sense at all because it won't connect with everything. The Ministry of Youth and Sports and even the UN can discuss. But until we bring that together, it won't happen. And this is a prime example of where those things are coming together and working. The other thing, and let me also say, this is not a statement, that when people put their minds together to do things, and I was particularly inspired by what you said, Doctor, when you said, why should we trade this off when on this continent we have all the skills and competencies here? We should own it. And I think this is a demonstration of what is possible when minds come together and actually value the intellectual property that they have and own and have the confidence to engage in a way and build those partnerships together. So let me congratulate you all for really having this aspiration and vision to move this forward.